Hi students, let us see the example 1.35. Solve the following system: x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 4z equal to 0, 7x plus 10y plus 12z equal to 0. We have to find the solution for the three unknowns. Here the equation, number of equation is equal to the number of unknowns. Suppose we are going to write the equation into matrix form. Ax is equal to O, isn't it? Here A is equal to, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, 12. X is equal to unknowns, x, y, z. Here O is equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay, first we want to write augmented matrix by using this 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, 12. Suppose if you are applying elementary row operations on this augmented matrix, it can be transformed into row echelon form. From that row echelon form, we can find the rank of this augmented matrix. We have to find the solution for this. First, we have to find whether it is consistent or inconsistent, isn't it? Consistent means we have to give trivial or non-trivial solution. For that, I am going to transfer this R2 into R2 minus 3R1. R3 minus 7R1. You just find this R2 minus 3R1, R3 minus 7R1. What is this R2? 3 here, minus 3 into 1, 0. Here 4 minus 3 into 2, 4 minus 6 minus 2. Here 4 minus 3 into 3, 9, minus 5. There 0. R3, 7 minus 7 equal to 0. 10 minus 7 into 2. 10 minus 14 is equal to minus 4. 12 minus 7 into 3. 12 minus 21 minus 9. We get, what is it? 0, minus 2, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 9, 0. We have to bring this augmented matrix into row echelon form. So R3 gives R3 minus 2R2. See, what is that R3? Minus 4. For this 0 minus 0, so no need to do. Minus 4 minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 4, 0, minus 9 minus 2 into minus 5, minus 9 plus 10 is equal to 1, 0 minus 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0 minus 2 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. So we transformed that augmented matrix into row echelon form, isn't it? Now we have to find the rank of coefficient matrix and rank of the augmented matrix. Here C see here we are having 3 non-zero rows are there. So rank of augmented matrix is equal to 3. What is that rank of coefficient matrix? For that you just find determinant of A. 1 into 48 minus 40 minus 2 into 36 minus 28 plus 3 into 30 minus 28. 8 minus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 2. 8 minus 16 plus 6. 14 minus 16 is equal to minus 2. So it is not equal to 0. So row of A is equal to 3. What is our condition? Row of A, rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to n, that is 3. So number of unknowns, isn't it? So the system is consistent, it has a unique solution. The solution is trivial solution. It is satisfied. X is equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. See, suppose if just you check it, if you are going to write the equivalent system of equation from this, minus 2y minus 5z equal to 0, z equal to 0. See, z equal to 0. Okay, suppose if you are applying by back substitution of here 0 means y also 0. Suppose y and z you are substituting in this first equation, x also 0, isn't it? So it is satisfied. X is equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Okay, so the solution is a trivial solution. X is equal to 0, y equal to 0, z equal to 0. Thank you.